guys, this is Monabanoo. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna make mac and cheese. God knows how delicious it is. Let's start. Boil some water along with salt. Add the pasta to it. Rinse after 5 minutes. It doesn't need to be too soft. Fry 100 grams of butter with 4 tablespoons of flour. Now add milk to it and mix together. Then add mustard sauce, salt, paprika, Gouda cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Add the pasta to our delicious sauce and mix together. Pour some mozzarella cheese and put it in the oven for 20 minutes. This is one of the most delicious and convenient foods. Enjoy it!